Furniture Clinic. Make your leather like new. Effective and unique leather cleaning and restoration products from Europe come to the US. Furniture Clinic's Leather Recoloring Balm is one of our best-selling leather care products. Your couch and car interior can be like new in just a few simple steps. Furniture Clinic's best-selling Leather Recoloring Balm restores the color and texture to your scratched and faded leather. This proven formula is safe and easy to use. Like magic, it transforms your leather furniture and car interiors. Apply the balm to amazingly restore the color and softness like new. You have to see it to believe it. But don't just take our word for it. Furniture Clinic products have received over 1,000 5-star Trustpilot and Amazon reviews.
The product is excellent. My couch looks brand new after one application.
It's brilliant. It saved us $1,500. The seat and the arms on my chair were all old and worn. We were going to try and get a replacement, but we figured we'd give this a go first, and I'm so glad we did.
Furniture Clinic's Leather Recoloring Balm is also good for leather handbags, jackets, shoes, and more. Our Leather Recoloring Balm is available in 21 shades to match your leather.
StarTron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel. StarTron is a multifunctional fuel additive that uses enzyme technology. StarTron cures and prevents ethanol fuel problems. StarTron stabilizes gas for up to 2 years and helps rejuvenate old fuel. Engines powered by StarTron treated fuel start easily and run smoothly with fewer emissions and better fuel economy. StarTron restores octane to old substandard fuel. StarTron disperses water throughout fuel to help prevent phase separation. StarTron's enzyme technology eliminates and prevents gum, carbon, and varnish deposits to keep engines running clean and strong. StarTron's enzyme formula enhances combustion for a more complete fuel burn, resulting in maximum power and fuel efficiency in all engines. StarTron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel.
BMK 200W car power inverter ultra compact and lightweight. Built-in silent cooling fan helps reduce heat and prevent shortages. Bonus a 15 ampere fuse to prevent from overload for longer service time and safer usage. Protect against overheat, short circuit, and overcharge, and so on. Applied for power USB compatible and charging larger devices. BMK DC 12 volts to AC 110 volts converter operated with 4 USB ports and 2 AC outlets. LCD screen displays the car battery voltage when not be used and shows the current of USB charging when using to make sure your devices are charging safely. On and off switch controls AC 110 volts outlet, specially for Christmas string lights, laptop, and so on.
Husky Liner's Weather Beater floor liners perfectly match the contours of your truck or SUV and offer unbeatable carpet protection for whatever nature hurls at you. Whether you're installing them for the first time or the 1000th time, cleanup and installation is a snap. First, open your new Husky Liner's Weather Beater package and remove the liners from the box. If you're replacing existing floor mats, please remove them from your vehicle. Examine the floor on both the driver and passenger sides of the vehicle. It's possible your truck has floor mat retention posts built into it. If it does, you'll want to use these to secure the liner. Next, slide the driver's and passenger side liners into place and secure by pressing the liner down on the retention posts. If you've purchased a second seat liner for the back of the cab, please remove all items from the floor of the cab. Remove the existing floor mats, and then slide the second seat liner into place. Weatherbeater floor liners allow for easy cleanup. The precision fit design and form fit edge allow you to contain a mess until you can yank, dump, rinse, and repeat. It's that simple. From all of us at Husky Liners, thanks for watching. And for those of you who have purchased a new set of weather beaters, we appreciate your business. We hope you experience many years of increased protection for your truck. Should you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us at 800-344-8759.
Husky Liners, guaranteed for life.
To start, take a few minutes to review the following instructions along with our pro tips. Trim coat should only be applied to the plastics of a freshly washed and dried vehicle. This makes sure the plastics are as clean as possible, limiting the amount of product needed and guaranteeing the best results. For washing, you can either take your vehicle through the car wash or hand wash using standard car wash soap. A pro tip for you: wash just the plastic trim sections you intend to coat with Blue Dawn dish soap. Dish soap has the added benefit of cutting through grease to really deep clean the areas you'll be coating. When you're done, rinse it off. Now that you're clean and rinsed off, you're going to want to dry the vehicle with a towel. Trim coat is incompatible with water, so proper drying is of the utmost importance. Using your towel, dry the vehicle thoroughly. The blow dryers at the car wash are not enough to remove all of the water. Wipe out all door jambs and the trunk jamb. Wipe all water from mirror housings and from behind the trim, license plates, and the like. Open and close all doors multiple times to get rid of water droplets in the door jambs. Another pro tip: if you have access to compressed air, use the air tool to blow water out from behind trim, mirror housings, headlights, taillights, and anywhere else that water can hide. You want that puppy bone dry. After washing and completely drying the vehicle like we just talked about, move to a shady spot out of direct sunlight in a well-ventilated area. Working in shade keeps the plastics cool and extends the working time of the trim coat. Leave doors, hood, hatches open at this point as well as windows down. This will allow best access to all areas that will be coated. Now for the fun part: applying Cerakote trim coat. First, put on your safety gloves. After you're protected, identify the plastic surfaces you intend to treat and begin on the surfaces located highest on the car or truck first. Now go ahead and open up the pouch and remove the wipe. Without unfolding the pre-moistened application towel, carefully treat the edges of the plastic component bordering the paint like so. If trim coat gets on your paint, don't panic. Just immediately wipe it away with a dry towel. No big deal. Next, you're going to want to unfold the wipe to the appropriate size and coat the rest of the trim component. Some heavily weathered plastic may require a second coat. Once the entire vehicle has been coated, go back to the starting point to check your work. Missed spots or areas needing a second coat can be touched up at this point. Note, a second coat is not typically needed. Once you're all done, it's time to let it dry. Trim coat is designed to be able to be exposed to moisture after a short 1-hour cure time. But in the meantime, park away from sprinklers, squirt guns, water fights, and time your application to avoid rain. Once you're dry, you're done, and you're ready to show the world how smart and attractive both you and your vehicle are.